Ever bought a crystal that felt amazing in the store, but did absolutely nothing at home? The problem isn't the crystal, it's what you didn't know about cleansing at first, but we will change that today. Hey beautiful souls, your crystals work hard for you every day, absorbing negative energy and supporting your intentions. But just like we need to recharge our phones, our crystals need regular cleansing to stay at their best. Today, we're walking you through 8 essential cleansing methods, plus a bonus technique that will revolutionize how you care for your collection. Whether you're a crystal newbie or a seasoned collector, you'll discover simple ways to keep your stones energetically fresh and powerful. Let's dive in. Method 1. Running water. Let's start with the simplest method, running water. Water naturally rinses away any stagnant energy that your crystal has been holding. All you have to do is hold your crystal under cool running water for about 1 minute. This method works perfectly for hard stones with a Mohs hardness of 7 or above, like clear quartz, amethyst, citrine, and most tumbled stones. Never use water on soft stones like selenite, calcite, or pyrite as they can dissolve or become damaged. Also avoid porous stones like turquoise or malachite, which can absorb water and become discolored. Method 2. Saltwater soak. Our second method takes cleansing even deeper, saltwater soaking. Salt is incredible at pulling out heavy, stubborn energy. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of sea salt or rock salt in a bowl of water. Then, submerge your crystal for 2 to 8 hours maximum. This method is only safe for very hard, non-porous stones like clear quartz, smoky quartz, and most jaspers. Never use salt water on soft stones under 7 on the Mohs scale, including fluorite, calcite, labradorite, or any metallic stones like pyrite. Salt can permanently etch or corrode these crystals. Method 3. Brown rice. Next up is our gentlest approach, brown rice cleansing. Rice acts like a natural magnet for negative energy without any risk of physical damage. Bury your crystal completely in dry brown rice for 24 hours. This works safely for absolutely every crystal type, including soft stones like selenite, delicate clusters, and even jewelry. Remember to throw away the rice afterward, since it has absorbed all that unwanted energy. Method 4. Natural light. Now, let's use nature's cleansing power, gentle light. Place your crystal on a windowsill or outside during moonlight or very soft morning sun for 2 to 6 hours. Moonlight is completely safe for all crystals. However, avoid direct sunlight on color-sensitive stones like amethyst, rose quartz, fluorite, and celestite, as UV rays can fade their beautiful colors permanently. Clear quartz, citrine, and most dark stones handle sunlight well. Moving to one of our favorite methods, sage smudging. All you have to do is light a sage bundle and let it create steady smoke. Pass your crystal through the smoke for 30 to 60 seconds, keeping it moving so no area gets too much heat. This method is completely safe for every single crystal type, including the most delicate specimens and jewelry pieces. The gentle smoke cleanses without any physical contact. Before we jump to the next method, what's your go-to cleanse so far? Tell us in the comments and hit like if you're learning something new. Method 6. Sound healing. Now, let's explore sound vibrations for crystal cleansing. Use a singing bowl, tuning fork, or bell, and let the vibrations wash over your crystals for 5 to 10 minutes. Sound cleansing is universally safe for all crystal types, including clusters, geodes, jewelry, and the most fragile specimens. This method is perfect for cleansing large collections without handling each piece individually. Method 7. Larger crystal cleansing. Here's where your collection works together as a team. Place smaller crystals within 6 inches of a large clear quartz cluster or amethyst geode for 4 to 24 hours. The larger crystal's stable vibration resets smaller stones. This method is safe for absolutely every crystal type and works especially well for delicate pieces that can't handle water or salt. Method 8. Visualization. Our final method uses your personal energy, visualization. Hold your crystal in both hands and close your eyes. Visualize bright white or golden light completely surrounding and filling your crystal. Imagine this light dissolving any heavy energy and replacing it with pure, clear vibration. This method works safely with every crystal and adds your personal intention to the cleansing. Which cleansing trick are you trying tonight? Comment below and check the description for our favorite Mindful Souls tools. Remember to subscribe. More crystal wisdom drops every week. Ready for the finale? Here's our special bonus method, cleansing crystals. Did you know that certain crystals naturally maintain such high vibrations that they can actually cleanse other crystals without losing their own energy? It's incredible. And here are the most powerful ones. Clear quartz works as a universal cleanser and can refresh absolutely any crystal type. Amethyst clusters are amazing for deep emotional cleansing and clearing heavy stuck energy. Selenite wands or towers are self-cleansing powerhouses that never need cleansing themselves while purifying everything around them. Carnelian works beautifully for energizing and motivating creativity and passion stones. And hematite is perfect for grounding and protecting while cleansing at the same time. You can use these stones in 3 simple ways. For direct contact, place your smaller crystals right on top of your cleanser stone overnight. Try the wave method by holding a selenite wand and gently moving it around your entire collection for 10 minutes. Finally, you can use the proximity method by placing your crystals within 3 inches of your cleanser stone for about 2 hours. Just before saying goodbye, let's recap these incredible cleansing crystals. Clear quartz for universal cleansing, amethyst for emotional clearing, selenite for self-cleansing power, carnelian for creative energy, and hematite for grounding protection. You'll find all these amazing stones in our Mindful Souls collection, linked below. And if you love discovering new crystals every month, check out the Mindful Souls box, monthly deliveries of curated crystals and spiritual tools delivered right to your door. If you missed our previous video, definitely watch Are Healing Crystals a Scam? 7 Reasons They Might Not Work for You. It's the perfect companion to this cleansing guide. Thanks for being part of our crystal community. Stay clear, stay charged, and stay grounded. See you next time.